Hello friends, now I'm going to show simple tricks on Google. They are so funny and so interesting. Just go to the home page and it's a funny tricks. Just type do a barrel roll on Google and click on I'm feeling lucky. Wow, it's fantastic. It's interesting, right? Now type Google gravity. And click on I'm feeling lucky. Wow. See, you can do like this and these are so funny. Now, one more simple trick. Google Pac-Man. I know most of you are aware about the game Pac-Man, right? Just can play this. Can play Pac-Man here. Like this. Using up and down arrows. Wow, it's rushing towards me. Oh no. So like this. And one more. Now you can also set the background very wonderfully and very colorful. Further, just type Google underwater. Wow, it's very amazing. And here itself you can search. For example, now I'm going to search YouTube. Click on search. You can observe. Okay. Next, now I'm going to show how the Google is at 1980s. Wow, I'm so interested. I'm so eagerly waiting to watch it. Yeah, see there. It is the oldest version of Google. And one more interesting. Okay, now I'm going to show simple tricks on YouTube. Okay, for example, if you want to download any video, for example, now I'm typing here. Just if you want to download it, click on the video which you have to download and copy the address and after the www dot type ss and click enter. Here you will come across a web page savefrom.net which is used to download the YouTube videos. Download is running. Okay. Next, If you want to operate all the YouTube only with keypad, here's a simple trick. After youtube.com type /TV and you can see the web page which actually appears as in TV. See, now you can operate with and you can search all with keyboard. So if you clear it, you will again go to the normal page. Okay, thank you.